Goebel Fasteners presents the GoLock Structural Interlocking Blind Rivet, available in aluminum, steel and stainless steel with diameters 3/16 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch and 3/8 of an inch. The GoLock is one of the most versatile and common style of structural rivets on the market today. Paired with the AirPower 3 pneumatic tool, this combination proves efficiently robust for truck and trailer applications, where the need for heavy-duty fasteners is required. Once the rivet is set, the mandrel breaks flush with the setting head, and the internal locking design ensures the mandrel is locked in place. This is ideal for high vibration applications. The key features of the GoLock are its interlocking design, strong vibration resistance, high shear and tensile values, as well as its large grip range for a variety of applications. Goebel Fasteners ensures all parts are tested in accordance to ISO 14589 and provides test reports upon request. The dedicated testing laboratory guarantees the highest level of quality control. Every tolerance is tested to ensure product specifications are within the required norm and perform accordingly. The final product quality is a top priority and rigorously tested to make certain it is install ready. The GoLock structural blind rivets are third-party approved and inspected annually to maintain certification. With its high-strength features, it is clear why the GoLock is the best-performing structural blind rivet in the market today.